Now we have here the different types of business. We have the services, trader, manufacturer, raw materials, infrastructure, financial, and insurance. So these types are actually taken from the Department of Trade and Industry. This is how they classify businesses into these different types. So we will discuss each type on the succeeding slide. First, we have the service type of business, or we normally call this the service concern business. So basically, their activity is selling people's time. So this is to render service, they sell the service provider's time. So the structure for this business is they will hire skilled staff, and these skilled people or staff will have to sell their time to the clients or customers. So examples of service concern or service type of business are, we have here the software development type of business, the accounting firms, the legal or the law firms. So we're rendering services, legal services. Okay, we also have um, other services. What can you think of? Okay, very good. Oh, I assume I heard you say that. Another type of business is the trader, or the trading company, or the merchandising company. Its activity is mainly about buying and selling products. Yan. So they will have to buy a product and then they will make them available for sale as is. Meaning there's no conversion here. They will not convert the product. So they buy the product and sell the product as is. So examples of these businesses are the wholesaler and retailer of products. So they buy, for example, a cell phone and sell the cell phone as is. Or they buy in bulk or in volume tons of rice and then they sell it per sack or per kilo. But the rice is the same, no? They will not convert it. Another type is the manufacturing business. So the one that will produce. So their activity, first designing product, aggregating the components, and then assembling a finished product. So basically, they take raw materials, they use equipment or staff or people to convert the raw materials into a finished good or finished product. And this finished product is the one that will be sold. So they buy a different product and they sell a different product. Like if they buy flour and they sell bread, or if they buy cloth and they sell dress. Examples of this, the vehicle assembly, construction, electricity, water, food, drink, chemicals, media, pharmaceutical. Another type is the raw materials business. So they are actually growing and extracting raw materials. So they buy blocks of land and then they use them to provide raw materials. Like they farm the land so that they can harvest from it, and that one that they harvest will be used as raw mats by the manufacturing firms. So examples of these raw materials businesses are those involved in farming, mining, and in the oil industry. Another type of business are those involved in infrastructure, like their activity is selling the utilization of infrastructure. So they buy operating assets. These are typically large assets. And what they sell is occupancy, often in combination with the service. Like for example, if they buy airplane and then they sell the service of flights. Ayan. So they build up hotels and then they sell the service of the rooms. Okay. So these are, we have here transport like airport operator, airlines, trains, ferries, buses, jeepneys, and others. So hotels, telecoms, sports facilities, yung mga dome, ganyan. And property management. Next, we have the financial type of business. So the activities here are receiving deposits and then they lend that money or invest that money somewhere. So cash is involved in this type of business. So they accept cash from the depositors and then they pay the depositors interest for that cash because that cash will be used by these businesses to provide loan to other people where they earn interest from the loan. So they usually give interest from the loan that they lend to the borrowers higher than what they give the depositor. Ayan. So examples of this financial type of business are the banks and the investment house. Lastly, we have the insurance type of business. So their activity, they usually pool premiums of people, no, to meet claims for a few premiums. So they pool money, get money from, for example, 100 people, and then they give claim to one who is insured, for example, for hospitalization. That's it, no? So they collect cash from many customers. And then they use that cash, invest it somewhere, and then what they earn from that and the cash that they have collected also, they use that one to pay for the losses experienced by few customers. So examples of this are insurance companies, whether it's life insurance, health insurance, fire insurance, and whatever insurance type. Okay, before we proceed further, let's have a quick check. If you still remember, we have different types of business. Can you recite it on your own? Very good. Okay, I assume you got the correct answer. If not, you go back to the previous slides again and then review.